Hi everyone! Welcome to Školica's channel. My name is Maja and this is a video to explain the concept of grammatical case in Croatian language. The grammatical case is the grammatical function of a noun or a pronoun in a sentence. But what is a noun or a pronoun? A noun is a word used to identify a class of people, places, or things, or to name a particular one. For example, stol, table, mama, mom, kiša, rain. Those are all nouns. A pronoun is a word that replaces the noun. For example, I, you, he, she, or it. Or in Croatian, ja, ti, on, ona, ono. Nouns and pronouns can have different functions in a sentence. For example, if you have random words, sees, mom, Maja, you can create two different sentences. The first one, mom sees Maja. Or Maja sees mom. In English, person doing the action is in the first place in a sentence. And the person receiving the action is after the action. This is why the word ordering in English is very important. So here, mom is doing the action of seeing, and her function in this sentence is a subject. Subject is a person doing the action in a sentence. And Maja is the receiver of the action and an object in a sentence. Maja's function is to be the object in the sentence. But here, even though these words have different functions, they didn't change. But let's take a look at this. If we replace Maja, the object, with she, with a pronoun for feminine, how would then this sentence look like? This sentence is here. Mom sees her. But why? Why her? Why not she? That is why, because if in English we want to use the pronoun she as the object of a sentence, it has to change its form from she to her. And this in Croatian happens not only in nouns, in pronouns, but in nouns as well. It is why, because in English, when we want to use a pronoun as an object, as the person receiving the action, we have to change its form to the object form, from she to her. In Croatian, this happens not only in pronouns, but in nouns as well. So let's translate now this sentence to Croatian. Mom sees Maja. In Croatian, that is mama vidi Maju. We use this form Maju when we want to say that Maja is the receiver of the action or the object in a sentence. If we would change the word order, the information will still be the same, not like as in English. Maju vidi mama is still the information that Maja is being seen by mom. If we would want to say the other English sentence that was at the beginning, we would have to change the forms of the words. We would have to use the form for the subject or for the object. Maja vidi, Maja, the subject in the ground form. Maja vidi, Maja sees. And now we want to say that mom is the receiver of the action. Then we change mama to mamu. Maja vidi mamu. Now Maja sees mom. These changes from mama to mamu, Maja to Maju are called padeži, grammatical case, padež. If we use a ground form of the word mama, Maja stole, that is nominative case, padež, nominative. If we use mamu, Maju, an object case, that case is called accusative case, accusative. Each case has its own rules of how it's built, so which ending you have to put from mama to mamu, for example, and different contexts to use them in. For example, the accusative form mamu, Maju can be used when we want to use the direct object without any prepositions, but as well in these sentences. After the preposition za. Ovo je poklon za Maju. This is a gift for Maja. It is still an object, but an object with a preposition. Or, idem po Maju. After this po and in the combination with ići, to go, we still use accusative form. Idem po Maju. I'm going to pick up Maja. In the next videos, I will explain each case individually, the usage and also how it's built. So stay tuned and join Školica to practice Croatian with native Croatian teachers. Bye! Bok!